So I purchased two of these USWE bags now and been using them for a while. This is the Nordic 4, so I use this for downhill skiing. It's insulated where the tube goes through. Again, same setup where it's a magnetic holder. No dancing monkey at the bottom, but you could run the tube through either side. It has this ventilated back so you don't get sweaty. But yeah, great downhill bag. No real storage, but you don't need that for downhill. This is my mountain bike bag, that Outlander 4. So it's a 2.5 liter to 3 liter bladder that's adjustable. One little compartment here for a couple snacks, but again, that's all you really need. And then the tube runs down through the side, then has a magnetic clip as well. No dancing monkey here, but I've been using these bags for a while. I love them. I switched from all my other bag solutions for biking, skiing to these because they don't move. This bungee system on the No Dancing Monkey is unparalleled. I've never found another bag that works like these do for extreme sports and high movement sports.